If you want to cancel your Wish free trial, follow these simple steps to ensure you won't be charged after the trial period ends. Step 1. Open the Wish app. Launch the Wish app on your mobile device or visit the Wish website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by tapping on your profile icon or the menu button, depending on whether you are using the app or website. Step 3. Find subscription information. Look for a section labeled Subscriptions or Memberships. This is where you can view your current subscriptions and trial status. Step 4. Select the free trial. Locate the free trial you wish to cancel. Click on it to access more details about the subscription and the cancellation options. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Follow the prompts to cancel the free trial. Make sure to confirm your cancellation to ensure you won't be charged once the trial period ends. By following these steps, you can successfully cancel your Wish free trial and avoid any unwanted charges. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Wish customer support for assistance.